Artificial intelligence is transforming the way we consume energy, offering innovative solutions to reduce waste and increase efficiency. In this video, we'll explore AI-driven innovations that optimize energy consumption, lower costs, and contribute to a more sustainable future. Smart grids powered by AI are revolutionizing energy distribution. These systems balance supply and demand in real time, ensuring efficient energy use while integrating renewable sources like solar and wind. AI also enhances home and business energy management with tools like smart thermostats and automated lighting systems that adjust based on usage patterns. Electric vehicles benefit from AI too, with optimized charging schedules that reduce strain on power grids. In smart cities, AI drives energy-efficient street lighting and public transport systems, making urban living more sustainable. While challenges like data privacy and initial costs exist, the potential of AI in energy optimization is enormous. By adopting AI-powered solutions, we can reduce greenhouse gas emissions, save money, and secure a stable energy future. If you found this video insightful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content on sustainability and innovation. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's collaborate to build a greener future.